There is no doubt that the bottom of the sea remains our last frontier to not have full knowledge of what actually exists there. Scientists say there are creatures on the seabed that do not have any traceable genetic background on Earth. Today we show some of these stagnant forms of life. Predatory tunicate. The predatory tunicate is a species of tunicate, which lives anchored along the walls of the canyon on the high seas and seafloor waiting for small animals to drift that enter its mouth in the form of a bell. Everything indicates that tunicates appeared on Earth 500 million years ago. Being a creature so old, who could deny him the right to be a strong predator that imposes itself with its adaptive mechanisms to the environment that surrounds it? Sapphire copepod is a small crustacean of the subclass of the copepods that has a beautiful peculiarity. When it is allowed to see, it shines with a beautiful bluish tone. Most surprising is that in addition to this, they disappeared, seemingly without effort, in an instant. Females, on the other hand, are parasites of tunicates known as Salpus. Towelink carnivorous harp. This strange creature had never been seen when it was signed by a team from a Monterey Bay Research Institute for Underwater Aquaculture, California. At a depth of 2 miles from the coast was accessed by a submarine operated by remote control, took to samples of the animal, which is scientifically called Chondrocladylira. Like the carnivores, the sponge harp is specially adapted to catch small limb animals drifting by the current on the high seas. Jellyfish. Once again, the ROV cameras on board Explorer Okeanos have captured something magnificent in the depths of the ocean. This species of jellyfish was filmed at 3,700 meters below the waves, was discovered near the archipelago, Mariana Enigma underwater mount, and it seems a being from another planet. It has the peculiarity of being immortal according to scientific experiments, which indicate that this living being can regenerate any part of his body including his brain. Taking into account this characteristic, said animal does not grow old. Alien fish. This sticky fish shares a striking resemblance to the celebrated monster of the movie Alien, blockbuster in theaters around the world. Scientifically known as Ediacanthus atlanticus, it was a surprise for the experts to find the marine specimen that rarely leaves its natural habitat, located no less than 2,000 meters under the sea.